For create an e-commerce website, first of all you have to create a new folder by clicking the right button and then name it. Then you have to open that in VS Code and there you have to create 3 files. First you have to create index, HTML, second styles.css and third will be script.js. Then you have to go to DeepSeek AI, there you have to write this prompt, it will give you these all codes separate, you just have to copy from here and paste that code. Like you have to copy this script code and paste in script.js, then copy this CSS code and paste in styles.css, then copy this HTML code and paste in index.html. Then you have to save all these codes by clicking Ctrl+C. You have to run this in your local browser and you will see your e-commerce website. If you like the idea, do subscribe the channel and like the video and comment which type of website you want next.